Sodick stand at EMO 2025. Now, personally, Peter, I've seen your business as an outsider change, evolve. Your branding has changed. Fantastic stand, which is new branding as well. It looks incredible, I've got to say. What's happening in the marketplace for yourselves?
Well, the market's changing. We're going more towards medical, aerospace, and so we have to change with it. And so we decided we don't want to show what's been happening today. We want to show what's happening tomorrow and the day after. And we're having customers come towards us with problems, and we're trying to answer those problems, and we're trying to solve their problems for them. And part of the solution is on our 420 square meters behind us here.
And that is the size of this stand.
It is.
With your machines
It
on.
is.
Now, so with that being the case, what has been the main theme then of the machines that you've chosen to showcase?
Okay, the main theme is automation in various types, because not everybody could jump in at the top end. Some customers want to jump in at the bottom end with a portable device, try it out, and then move to the more fixed device, which is obviously more expensive, but then they can develop their part with their customer, and then they can produce the parts. Obviously the aim is to do 24 hours unmanned. It's everybody's aim, but it's part of the way there.
So you're walking into the production world with EDM?
Yeah, honestly, I never thought we would be there with EDM, but that's where we're going, and that's where we have to go. So that's why we've got to jump forward.
Yeah.
We had to make this step.
Can I just ask you a little bit about that technology, because you have a variety of solutions on your stands.
We do.
But the one that really has caught my eye is the one right behind us, the SDG. This is your own. This is very exciting. This is a world premiere, isn't it?
It is. We can, of course, we can go out there and we can buy a robot to fit next to our machine, but this is our take on our robot, which we think fits the purposes of some of the customers that are out there, where it is interchangeable parts. Put it through the programming system and let the machine just take care of itself and go home and put your feet up.
I love that. You've also got a rotary axis on one of the machines, which interestingly was one of your customers.
It was, yes.
And they're
right.
using your machine.
Correct. So the manufacturer of the rotary axis is actually one of our customers.
I love that. I mean, that's a two-way street. That for me is, they need you, you need them, and then you work together.
Correct, and even the robot manufacturer is one of our customers. And even the wire supplier is one of our customers. Because as I keep telling you on year is that this is the Sodick family. This is where we are. We all work together and we all try and help each other. But more importantly, you've got to consider what's coming next.
Yeah.
We've got to be in the front, because as soon as you relax, somebody's going to overtake you.
Absolutely. Now, you brought your dealers here, haven't you?
We have 17 countries.
And why do you bring everyone together like this?
Well, we like to have a drink.
Yeah.
Of course we do. That's one of the things about getting together. It's about drinking, it's about talking, it's about finding what their issues are. Some of them will have service issues, some of them will have application issues. Doesn't matter. Talk to us.
Yeah.
And we'll do something about it.
Big celebration next year as well.
It is 50 years of Sodick. We're very excited. We got a huge party in Japan next year in May, and we're all looking forward to that.
Look at that! I can tell straight away
yes. No, I
to
am.
have that drink.
Well, I'm going to find a Guinness bar somewhere. I'm sure I will.
Yeah,
Doesn't matter
will.
where it is.
You absolutely will.
Yes.
So, just to kind of round up, why Sodick? Why shouldn't your customers already be talking to you? They will be, because that's how you do business. But what about new customers, people who don't know the world of EDM? Why choose you?
Well, first of all, you've got to market yourself. You need to put your name out there. We're trying various initiatives, including MTDCNC. We're trying football advertisements. We've tried to come away from the traditional paper advertisement, and we're moving forward. And so people should come to us because we're a market leader. Why wouldn't they come to us? We can solve people's problems. So why not? We're more than just a sales organisation. We're full of ideas. We're full of solving problems.
You're a family.
And we're a family.